It's Twister Dance from Hasbro. Now you can use the Twister spots in a fun new way to learn moves to today's hottest dance songs, including the exclusive Till the World Ends Twister remix by Britney Spears. To play, first put the colored spots on the floor as shown in the instructions. On the console, select your level and then scroll through the songs. When you hear the one you want to dance to, press play. After the chime, start dancing by following the lights, moving your feet to the colored Twister spots along with the colored lights. You can also dance to your very own music using the beat detection feature. Connect your music player to the console and use the colored spots to customize your own dance. It can also be used as a music player alone with your MP3 device. Twister Dance is for 1 to 2 players age 8 and up and comes with 8 movable colored spots, dance console, and music player connector cord. Requires 4 AA batteries. Demo batteries are included. Twister Dance from Hasbro.